All right, so here we are. We're at the race range. We're going to try to demonstrate the versatility of the DTR reticle along with the new TUBBGUN. We're both going to be shooting at targets at the same yard line. We're going to talk each other through it. And the targets are what we call a lollipop target. They're about, let's say they're 4 or 5 inches wide and they're 10 inches tall, thereabouts. So, and we'll work our way from close to far, and we'll be shooting at 250, 330, 420, 500, 675, and 765. Our vector angle on our wind hold changes on every one, or on many of them. We come back and as you'll see, there'll probably be a downrange picture of this. But Chase has got a 3 KDA gun rifle scope ammo because his gun goes 29.50.
29.50.
And my rifle's going about 30.25, so I have a 0 KDA assigned value gun. And we're shooting in a 3 KDA condition. So Chase is pretty much going to hold the yard line that he's shooting.
Yep.
I'm going to have to hold a multiple of -3 for each one of the lazy numbers at the particular yard line I'm doing. And so when I get ready to shoot, I'll do the little mental math through and show you where I'm going to hold. We're typically, throughout the entire sequence, though, we're both going to hold the same wind value, okay, which is a huge deal.
Yep.
We've got a flag down range at 1,000 yards we've been watching, and it's running about 5 miles an hour from 3 o'clock. But you're going to see we're going to be shooting into the wind and downwind and so on and so forth. As we go through, we're going to talk each other, and we'll take turns as we go. I'll start first. I'll shoot the 250. He'll follow me up. Then we'll talk about the wind at 330. We're not really racing. We're just trying to hit all these targets. And while these targets are decently large here out to about, let's say, 500, they get decently small past 500.
Yes, they do. Yeah.
And they don't give you any lateral wind, I guess, error. They give you a little vertical error, but your wind's got to be pretty close. All right, so we're getting ready to go. The first target is at 250. It's a pretty easy target, but obviously you're going to see how these dots work. And of course, remember, we're shooting this entire segment and we're not moving our knobs. And also know that even though we both have different assigned value guns, out to 500 yards, we're both holding about the same elevation. So sure. I'm just going to hold in the middle with 250, and we'll see which side it hits on.
You're the left target, correct, David?
Yeah, I'll shoot the left one.
All right. I'm looking at your target through my scope. Go ahead.
Here we go. Okay. Showed a little more wind value.
Yep.
So closer to 10 on that shot. Fool me.
You want to shoot a follow-up?
No, go ahead. We got it.
All right. So I'm going to hold it. 50. I'm going to hold it for about a 4 in my scope and see what it does. Right in the middle.
Okay. All right. So now we're going to 330.
We'll just
hit to move. I thought it was more like a 5-mile-an-hour wind too. I went 1 click to the right.
Okay. So David's adjusted.
I'm trying to sync up with Chase on our wind. So Chase is going to go this time.
And we're at,
and
I'm going to range it.
You can see the mirage coming across. It's 330 yards to that target. We now have 5-mile-an-hour wind drift dots in there.
That's right. And I'm going to hold it for about a 4 again. All right, get my level set. All right, 330, 4 mile an hour.
Look at Chase's target through here.
About a 3.
Didn't need much, did he?
No, that was about a 2.5 to 3 effective.
So if I go 5, you can see that my 10 is on and my 0 is on. Going to come up just a touch.
Good shot, David. Dead
and
center.
That was a 2.5-mile-an-hour wind hold like he thought.
Yep.
All right. Now we're going to go to 420. And this is out of the draw now.
Yeah, we're back up above the low pressure, so we're shooting true. What we see is what we get here.
And there's definitely a little more running, but not a lot. Okay.
Yeah.
And this target's 420, so if you notice, I think I'm going to shoot
for
5 miles an
Yeah,
hour.
I would shoot
Okay?
for 5 myself.
Okay, here we go, 420.
Go ahead.
Okay,
Crosshair high,
just
but
a
good
little
wind.
high for some reason.
So
we got a hit.
420.
And it was more like a, a 4 mile an hour wind.
Yep. All right. Holding, maybe drop to 3. It's in.
Okay. All right. Now we're going to go to 500, and when we go to 500, we have a complete vector angle change.
So now we're probably shooting between a 3/4 and a half value wind. So what's half of 5? 2.5. All right. So if it's a half value, it's 2.5, obviously. Again, I'm going to paint it 500. Okay, 500. All right, I'm going to shoot it for about a 3 effective. Ooh, that one went way high for some reason.
Now, it was actually just right.
Was it? Okay, I guess so.
It just looked like it went high.
All
You
right.
shot off the right edge of the target.
Okay, then I'm going to go down to a 1.
There you go. And that was our vector
That was
angle change.
Dead
Now-
center, about 1 inch high.
Keep in mind, it's 500 yards. Now, not that this matters, but I have a 3 gun, a -3 gun. So -3 times that lazy 2 out to the left is -6. Okay? So I need to hold about 494 yards on this target. Of course, Chase just shot it with 1 mile an hour.
That looked like it hit dead center.
So here I am. I'm going to hold 495 or 6, something like that, and about 1 mile an hour. In fact, the Mirage changes from the left.
Yeah, I was to say that Mirage is tick-tocking
Yep.
out there, and I'd just shoot it for spin drift almost.
So I'm gonna just hold nothing.
Well, yeah, nothing in this system.
Or one the other way.
There you go.
Yeah, one
You're
from
favoring-
the other direction. Just a touch high yet.
Yeah, just a touch.
So I'm gonna
Come down a click.
come down 1 click. You can see how you can really fine-tune your rifle here as you go through this. So this next one is 675.
Yeah, 675.
And once again we changed our vector angle substantially.
All right, and
Okay.
now our wind is picked back up from the right,
Yep.
and our
It's
wind
running.
our wind is
Yeah, I don't know. It's
5-ish again.
Yeah, it's 5-ish again. I agree. So now this is 675, but I've got a -3 gun. So at 700, you see the lazy 5 to the left. So -3 times 5 is -15. So 675 minus 15 is 660. So my effective elevation hold point is 660, and I'm going to hold 5 miles an hour.
Yep.
I think I hit it, Chase.
It looked like it rocked, but I didn't hear a thump.
No.
So I
Oh,
think you right edged it, because it looks like it has a gray on the target now.
Because there's gray bullet mark on the target.
Right.
No hit.
I think you hit it top center, and it didn't rock. Oh.
No hit?
No.
No hit.
Okay.
Okay. It looked like a hit. It
Well,
was.
it's got gray mark on it there, Cannon.
I know. I think you missed off the right edge, if
I
anything.
do too. That's what I thought. And it looked like it's falling down a little bit.
Yep.
So here we go. Back at 660.
About a 3.
Yeah, we'll shoot 2.5 or 3.
That got it.
Yeah. That was a 3. I think we touched it the first time, but maybe
I
not.
think so too.
Because it's something gray on there anyway.
All right, so
Wow.
I'm holding true 675.
About,
So the top of the target is perfect in line at 650. The bottom of the target's in line at 700.
and the wind is let off now.
And the wind's let off, so I'll probably shoot it for a 2 right
Yeah,
now.
I think it.
And here it comes back.
Yeah, it's coming back.
3.
Yeah, 2.5. There you go. Just about beat ourselves.
So,
all right, now we're going to 765. And this is a wee little bitty target.
yeah, this is pretty small.
Not that that last one wasn't too. It was. So Chase is shooting the one on the right. We'll watch him first. So 765. Because we changed our vector angle a little bit. And the wind's running down there now.
Probably a 4-ish.
Yep. I hope 4. Got a little block there, so.
Yeah, slight block, but
yeah,
that block's only going to be about 40 to 50 yards
that's
long.
right. It's not very long.
So we're looking at half of a dot worth of block.
Not much. You can feel it on us here just a touch. Yeah.
I'm going to shoot it for 4.
Okay, 4 it is.
Light 4.
Needed more, didn't we? That was probably a 5-y.
That was a 5.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a good thing he went first this time, see? Yeah. Nothing like a dope shot, you know? Mm-hmm. That shot was a couple inches low, okay? But it would hit the target, but it was still a little low center. There you go.
Back up.
5 and a toucher. It was a touchy 5.
Yeah, I would have said I broke the 5 about on the bottom right of the impact. So it was a 5 and change.
So 765, I have a -3 gun, and -3 from times that lazy 7 to the left at 800, let's say, is -21, okay? So 21 from 765 is about 745-ish, 40, 48, whatever, do the math. So I'm going to put the 750 dot a little above center. Now here's 750, a little above center. And
I go below center.
Okay, below center, I'm sorry. Yeah. You're right, I'm backwards. So below center. And I think I'm going to shoot 4.
Okay. Yeah, it's a 4 right now. Wow. Great shot, David.
Thanks, Chase. I like that one.
Center.